Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2010 Lexus ES350. You don't need any tools, just open up the glove box and you're going to take off this little panel here and your filter's in here. Just push in on these tabs and pull back. Same thing here. And this cover comes off. It's a little tight in here. Okay. This is your filter. Just pull it out. It's a little dirty. So this one says up. So that's the position you're going to put it in. Sometimes they got airflow arrows. They're supposed to point down. And this one's just telling you just put it facing up like that. So what you're going to do is put in your new one. Like that. And this thing tells you which way it goes to. So this one says up. And you just pop it in here. And let's see. Push it in place. Okay. Then you put your cover. And this side is going to go, see, here's a little tab here. It's going to go into this side first. It kind of goes in place like that. Okay. I got to fix it, but you get the idea. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.